Hey guys, it's Al with techmadeezy with a new format. This is going to be a quickie. Yep, that's right. We all enjoy a good quickie every once in a while, and this is going to be a quickie on the brand new Ego mower. This is a super composite mower, and I will tell you now, this thing's got everything that I have wished for. I don't think it's missing one thing, by the way. They even removed one thing. This video is going to be about 5 minutes. That's what a quickie is all about. So why don't we go ahead and get this party started. Hi, it's Al from techmadeezy with a real quick message. I just want to let you know the video you're about to watch is not sponsored. We went out and bought the products ourselves. So if you like our video, please give us a thumbs up. It definitely helps. Share our video. And lastly, we hope you subscribe to our channel and become a part of the family. Thank you. So I'm going to start off covering the top features. That's it. This is going to be a real quick one. So the first one is this brand new super composite deck. This thing's got a 10-year warranty, and it is a brand new design for them. So that is one big feature change. Next big feature. This now has a dual battery. An Ego doesn't have many mowers with a dual battery, but this one can now handle 2 batteries to actually extend your run time, so you don't have to run in and get yourself another one. And by the way, you can see these from the top, all right? And the next feature is a brand new LCD display. Now this is not new. They basically brought it back. You can see your battery percentage. You can actually change on the fly without turning the machine off. While you're mowing, you can change to Eco. You can change to Turbo. It'll show you your load, again, battery status, and you can even adjust your self-propel, as you can see. So as I change this, self-propel changes as well. Next feature, this is a precision mulch control. Your mulch plug is now built into the back, and if you want to mulch completely, you just go ahead and keep it closed. If you want to bag completely and just bag your grass, bring it over to bag. But guess what? You can have an in-between where you're bagging a little bit and you're mulching a little bit. Another thing that they redesigned a little bit is you have 8 settings from 1 to 4 inches for your height adjustment, and all you have is this little knob. And when you want to bring this down to 1 inch, you drop it to 1. When you want to bring it all the way up to 4 inches, put it in 8, and then of course you've got in-between settings. Another feature, this does have self-propel. And basically, you know, without even the motor engaged, you can actually press the button and it'll just go. So if you have to bring it back to your shed, you can do that. Now, you don't have to press both these buttons. You can press the right one if you're a righty. You can press the left one if you're a lefty. And again, this is how you adjust your self-propel with this knob. And as you can see that on display. So you can go from 0.9 miles per hour all the way up to 3.1 miles per hour in self-propel. The other thing they did was they tucked the wires into these new redesigned poles with the Ego logo, so you don't have wires getting caught as you're mowing. And they've got this easy collapse. You just open this up, you push your handle down all the way, lock it, and then you grab your lever and you simply close your handle. And this is now ready for storage. And guess what? You can even kick this up if you want. You can have it like that and put it in the corner of your garage. Another standard feature on select cut mowers is you have a dual blade system. This is actually the mulching blade. And this mower actually comes with the high lift blade, which is nice. So you can take this off, put a high lift blade on. It's really good for bagging. But again, the dual blade system, really clean design as far as the deck is concerned. Lastly, this mower weighs 68.5 pounds without the batteries inside. It comes in 2 kits.
tool only, which is $6.99. And if you want to get the kit, it's $9.99. It'll actually come with two 6-amp-hour batteries and a dual charger. Now let me tell you, the 6-amp-hour batteries are about $300 each. So that's $600. And then this charger's $200. So this is $800. You're getting the mower in that package for $200. That's the way to buy Ego tools. Buy the kit. By the way, we did a very detailed close look, and we went over detailed specs in our unboxing video. This is what it looks like, okay? If you want to check this video out, all you have to do is click the word Ego in the upper right-hand corner. In a moment, it's going to pop up, and you'll be able to jump right into that video and check it out. I'll also put a link in the video description. But get ready, I'm going to put the word Ego up. There it goes, the word Ego in the upper right-hand corner. Click on that. You'll jump right in and actually see much closer looks and detailed specs. Guys, thanks a lot. All right, guys. Well, look, I hope you like the quickie format. You know, sometimes we just need a quickie. And if this video helped you, give us a thumbs up, all right? And share our video with your friends and family. I'm going to put our social media right up on top. I'll put a video on the right side if you want to check that out. And if you want to subscribe to our channel here at techmadeezy, just go ahead and click that round techmadeezy logo right there. And you'll be able to subscribe to our channel and become a member of the family. Guys, have a great day.